Quick little reference video for those who have asked me where they should start with reading the Red Delta Project library. Because I've put out over a dozen books and several short read ebooks over the years, and each one has its own specific application or objective depending on what your goals are. So first up, Fitness Independence, the first book that I ever wrote. This is a bit more of a philosophical text where it explains more on a fundamental level how fitness actually works. So if you're new to fitness and you don't want to get too lost in the weeds and the confusion of a lot of the noise and dogmas that are in our fitness culture, you just want to get more of an idea of what do I truly need to do to get in shape, that's a good place to start. My second book, Smart Bodyweight Training, is kind of like an encyclopedia of calisthenics and bodyweight exercises specifically for building muscle and strength. And this was a little bit of a labor of love for me. This book has over 500 images in it that are detailing some of my favorite exercises for building muscle and strength with bodyweight training. And if you ever wanted just my general overview of my approach to calisthenics, that's the way to go. Then we've got my two sports-specific books. We got Bodyweight Training for Martial Arts, because calisthenics and martial arts have always gone together so extremely well. And that develops some of the specific qualities we martial artists need, like explosive power, isometric strength, and of course a lot of stability and agility to enhance your martial arts training. Then we have Bodyweight Training for Cycling, which is a very simple, minimalist approach to use bodyweight training to enhance your endurance and cardio style activities, but without having to expend too much time and energy in the gym. And it also applies very well to runners, cross-country skiers, and other endurance athletes. Micro Workouts is one of my most important works that I've ever done, which is actually all about the three fundamental objectives of your training. Because it's not just about saving a lot of time and a lot of energy, but it's also about understanding what makes your workouts effective on the fundamental level. And when you understand what those targets are, you can weed out a whole lot of the stuff that's going to waste your time and energy and focus on the stuff that's going to be most effective for your goals. Then of course we have the Grind Style Calisthenics series. And the Grind Style Calisthenics was the system that I developed years ago. If all you want to do is just build muscle and strength with bodyweight training, what are the simplest, most direct ways to go about it without having to deal with a lot of the skills and a lot of the stuff that you have to develop in order to be a calisthenics athlete? If you came to me and you said, I just care about building muscle and strength with bodyweight training, that's the way to go about it. And the Grind Style Calisthenics manual is the basic overview of how the system works. And then the other subsequent manuals are how to use that approach in either suspension calisthenics, which is one of my favorites, on how to use suspension straps, which are basically a weight machine that you fit in your pocket. Overcoming isometrics, which is one of the most simplest and direct ways to build muscle and strength while improving your neuromuscular proficiency. And then the other two disciplines I combined into one book of progressive and weighted calisthenics. When all you've got is nothing more than a simple pull-up bar and maybe a set of dip bars, this is how you progressively use your body to build muscle and strength with either progressive technique or using weighted implements like dip belts and weight vests. And then we have my Quick Read series. Quick Read is only available in PDF or Kindle formats, and it's simple, short ebooks that deliver one simple, powerful lesson that can radically make a big difference in your approach to health and fitness. First up, we've got Calorie Hacking, Weight Loss as Mother Nature Intended. Because fundamentally, all diets and all weight loss methods eventually become weight loss prevention methods due to the simple adaptation for the sake of homeostasis. So calorie hacking uses this natural fundamental law of Mother Nature for your advantage rather than something you have to keep fighting over and over that's going to stall your weight loss and giving you far more power control in being able to lose weight, but also keep it off as well. Then we have the Ultimate Minimalist Fitness Program, because a lot of us, we don't need a lot in order to just live our best life. We just need 3 simple strategies that require no equipment, no special skills, and no advanced learning in order to implement, in order to condition yourself, to eat a heck of a lot better, and to help manage stress and live a healthier quality of life. And that's what the Ultimate Minimalist Fitness Program is all about. And my latest one, of course, is my push-pull squat program. Even simpler more direct way of building muscle and strength. And this one does not necessarily need to be applied to bodyweight training and calisthenics, because you can use it with free weights, machines, bands, whatever tools and methods that you like, but it's helping you focus on the type of exercises and methods that are going to be the most effective for helping you build muscle and strength. So for those who are asking, now you know. Let me know if you have any further questions down below, as well as links to all these resources in the description. And thank you very much for watching. Be fit and live free.